Things about what you eat is you need to make sure that you only have in your refrigerator what you really need to and want to eat. I took my wife, my good baby, to the movies years ago. I used to eat Goobers, and she ate some of my Goobers and got hooked on them. So now when I open the refrigerator, what do I see? Some Goobers right there. And I told my wife, don't put these Goobers here because I may want them Goobers and I may eat those Goobers. So don't put those Goobers there. The Goobers are there. Stay tuned.